How to add sound to Snapchat story. To add sound to your Snapchat story, first of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application on your device. Now you simply have to proceed to capture your content. You simply have to hold down this big circle button at the bottom to record a video, or simply click it once to take a photo. Now you can use all these toolbars on the right hand side to enhance your photo or add stickers or even chop your videos using this scissor-like icon. Now lastly, to add the sound itself, you simply have to tap on this music-like icon over here. You can use the magnifying glass icon over here to search for any music of your choice, or you can also find all these featured musics as well as access your playlist and your For You page. You can also find the trending section to view all the musics that are trending on your region. Once you select the music itself, you can also chop it by tapping on this scissor-like icon. Once you select your desired length and the part itself of the song, go ahead and tap tick mark, and there you go. Now you simply have to tap on this send to option or the stories option to add it to your story. This is how you can add sounds to your Snapchat story.